Ayubowan, I am Roshan Pathumsri Jayakanta Vijayaratna. First, I would like to my heartfelt thanks to the Asia Awards powered by Rula Awards. It is great honor and pleasure to me. This is my first international award. I am really happy to be nominated for this award. Therefore, I would like to give my congratulations to the award winners from all the countries. In particular, I consider it a great honor to have two media colleagues of my generation, Saranga Pathirana and Nadika Karunanayaka, with me at the Asian Awards. I congratulate them too.
Pathumsri Vijayaratna, currently working as a journalist and a sports journalist for the national newspaper Other, published by Vijay Newspapers Limited. Vijay Newspapers is one of the largest and leading media companies in Sri Lanka. Vijay Newspapers is one of the oldest media institutions in Sri Lanka and publishes Lankadeepa and Other, the most popular newspapers in Sri Lanka. It publishes more than 20 of Sri Lanka's leading newspapers such as Lankadeepa, Other, Sunday Times, Daily Mirror, Tamil Mirror and Deshaya.
My career as a journalist is 15 years and I have also worked for the national newspapers Randiva, Dinamina and Sathanda.
He has won the Presidential Award for Best Sports Journalist in his career in 2016 and he has won 4 consecutive awards in 2016, 17, 18 and 19 for Best Sports Journalist at the Media Excellence Awards jointly organized by the Sri Lanka Press Institute and the Editors Guild.
In addition, I am currently pursuing a PhD in mass media at University of Kelaniya to enhance my professionalism.
Mr. Pathumsri Vijayaratna completed his postgraduate degree in 2018 based on the subject of mass media and he was able to get a merit pass there. A talent of that kind was shown only by 5 students in his batch. He did his postgraduate degree as well as his undergraduate degree in labour education from the University of Colombo, one of the leading universities in Sri Lanka. He also won the first class pass for the diploma in journalism organised by the Department of Journalism in the Colombo University. He started his professional career as a freelance journalist and research assistant in 2006. As a research assistant at the Institute of Research and Development, he contributed his knowledge to a number of researchers on mental illness, non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases. He also analyzed the data obtained there and contributed to the formulation of the human and health-related policies in the country. From 2006 to 2011, he was a freelance journalist for the research journal Gaveshana, published by the Institute for Research and Development. He left the Institute for Research and Development in 2011 to start a full-time career in journalism. He joined the Randiva National newspaper in 2011 as a proofreader and in a short span of 4 years, he sharpened his media usage to the point where he was promoted to sub-editor and chief sub-editor. After working as a feature writer for the Dinamina newspaper in 2015, he joined the national newspaper Other. During his long career in the field of journalism, he has been able to improve his career as well as his educational background. He is one of the 2 sports journalists with a postgraduate degree in Sri Lanka.
Many people have supported me in my media life so far, and first of all, I would like to thank the staff of Vijay Newspapers, include Chairman Ranjit Vijayawardena. I also see joining the other national newspaper as turning point in my media career. On this occasion, I would like to give my respect to Mr. Kanchana Dasanayaka, Editor-in-Chief of Other newspaper, Dinesh Mantrivithana, Sports Editor, my fellow journalists Sanjeeva Dharmasena and Oshita Varakapitiya in the sports division and the entire staff. All this fame is not something I have earned alone, and it is with great pleasure that I present the staff of my newspaper and all the staff of Vijay Newspapers as partners here. In addition, I would like to remind the entire staff of Randiva, Dinamina and Sathana newspapers. Also, I would like to thank the director of the Institute of Research and Development, Professor Atula Sumathipala, and the staff who encouraged me to mentor me in the media. In addition, I would like to thank my wife Takshila Sewandi, daughter Shayana Methunisri Vijayaratna, 3 brothers, relatives, and all my friends, especially Saranga Patirana and Vindana Prasad Karunaratna, who are a great strength to me. Because without you all, I would not have achieved this type of victory. Finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Asia Awards powered by Rolla Awards for giving me this award. Thank you, World Research Congress. Thank you very much.